In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to enlarge or reduce a copy job for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3300 printer series. So let's load the document onto the flatbed scanner. Next, from the control panel, select Copy, Document Copy. Tap on this icon to get more options. Now, scroll until you see the output scale. Select that. Select Custom. Now, under Custom, you can choose to enlarge more than 100%, which is the original size of the document, or reduce. We will enlarge the document to 150%. Let's go back and select Copy. So this is the copied document. So this is the copied document and this is the original. You can see that it has been enlarged 150%. So this is how you do a enlargement or reduction for your document on the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3300 printer series.